the banana, here's one that I made earlier. Again, it's just solid fondant. Another option too is using candy molds. They make candy molds in the shapes of bananas and things, so you could certainly do that, just using the coating chocolate with the candy molds and make all your fruit out of chocolate. Okay, so I just take a ball and knead it up, and then this one's probably a little big. Let me take some off. Okay, so again, starting with a ball. I've never had problems with balls before. Okay. All right. Then start to roll it this way, and then this end will roll a little bit more, and this end will roll a little bit more, keeping the center thicker. Okay. Sometimes I'll just pull it out. See, that could already be the bottom part of the banana. Here, you want to twist it a little with your fingers in this area. And then when there's too much here, we'll just cut that off. And you can actually pop it down. Like, this is a bigger banana, isn't it? We can actually make it a little bit longer than this one. And you just go like this, put it down, and then just kind of shape it. Now, a lot of times the bananas have that little brown line down the side here. So we'll take some of the cinnamon color and we'll just dust this a little bit down here, a little on the tip, and up here also. And then sometimes they just have little spots. So we'll just take a little water and the cap for the cinnamon, just kind of go like this. It's almost too much. Okay, so there's a banana. Well, since this one's a little dry, we can actually prop it up a little. I think I'll wait. This one can't really prop up, but I'll go ahead and color it, and then we can kind of put this one down.